Look, Pat, we're going faster. See, it's working. It's working. Keep patting. Keep patting. There we go. There we go. Oh, look. Look. Oh, we're almost off the ground. Oh. Look up. We're flying. You see it?
I need it down.
Ladies and gentlemen, this afternoon we'd like to extend a warm welcome back to our frequent flyers, members of our Delta Skymiles program, and especially to our platinum, gold, and silver medallion members. We'd like you to know we do appreciate your business.
Yeah, how do you yours feel?
To Delta and Delta Connection.
Go.
For those of our passengers who are not yet members of our Skymiles program, we invite you to visit delta.com, where you may register as one of our Skymiles members.
Water.
In a few moments, ladies and gentlemen,
There's some more water coming, look.
Cruising altitude and it's safe. We will be coming through the aisle of the beverage cart to offer you our complimentary beverage and snack service. We will have for you on the beverage cart in the main cabin Coca-Cola
Look out, there's big water. Look at the big water. It's a lake.
Sprite. We'll have Fresca, ginger ale, water, coffee available, as well as orange juice, apple juice, cranberry apple, tomato, spicy tomato, and peanuts and biscoff cookies, all complimentary to you this afternoon.
No, not yet.
For those of our passengers over age 21, we have alcoholic beverages, beer and wine, with beer at $5 each in the main cabin, and cocktails and wine at $7 each. Your exact change, please, would be greatly appreciated.
We'll get down in a little bit. It's gonna be a little bit. We might take a little nap. Yeah, because we're gonna be on here for a while. We will. We'll get down when we're done.
Is that now?
No, not yet.
See, that's mine.
Yep. One of them is, but we don't touch it right now. We don't need to.
What happened?
Look, we're as high as the clouds. The sun?
No, on the heat sun. It's dark.
It's not dark. Look at the clouds down there. Down here. Sit up a little bit. Sit up real quick. Look. Look at the clouds right there. Don't touch.
Higher and higher.
We're going higher and higher, that's right. It's okay. Look out the window now. We're in the clouds. See? We're in the clouds.